bright cutie. Every student matters.
Hello children, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss some of the question and answers from the topic that we have covered so far. So children, what is air made up of? So children, we know that air is a mixture of so many gases. Air consists of oxygen. It consists of carbon dioxide. Then it contains nitrogen gas, which is the most abundant gas. Then children, it also has argon and other gases. And not only these gases, our atmosphere also consists of, or the air also consists of dust particles and smoke, and also it consists of water vapor, right? Water vapor is also there. So children, oxygen is an essential gas. It is an essential gas which supports life on earth. Why? Because both humans and animals require oxygen for breathing. Then it also supports combustion. We can burn anything only because of the presence of oxygen. If oxygen won't be there, we won't be able to burn anything. We won't be able to cook anything. Okay. So, okay children. So next gas which is present is carbon dioxide. We take in oxygen but we give out carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Then children, nitrogen is again a gas which is present. Approximately 78% of our air consists of nitrogen. Okay. Dust particles and smoke are there. And then water vapor is also there. So let's move to the next question. A candle when put inside a jar stops burning after some time. Why? Which components of air are responsible for it? So children, suppose we have a container or a bucket which has water in it. So children, what happens is, suppose we have a candle which is burning and we place an inverted gas jar over it. You will observe that within few minutes the candle will stop burning. So children, why does this happen? This is because there is some of the component of air which is present in this inverted gas jar which supports combustion or which supported burning, and once that component gets finished, the candle blows off. And this component is oxygen children, because we know oxygen supports combustion. So when all of the oxygen was used up, the candle blew off. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Photosynthesis happens due to a gas. Which gas is it? So children, first of all you need to know what is photosynthesis. So children, photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their own food. Plants make their own food, right? So it is the process by which plants make their own food. So what happens is children, plants take in carbon dioxide gas, okay, and they take water from soil, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll children? Chlorophyll is a green pigment which is present in the leaves of the plants. So it produces its food and it releases oxygen. So children, which gas is responsible for photosynthesis? It is carbon dioxide which the plants take in. Okay, just like we are breathing, same is the case with the plants, just only difference is we take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, whereas plants take in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. Okay. So let's move ahead to the next question, which is, apart from the gases, what are the other substances present in air? So apart from gases children, in atmosphere there are dust particles which you can observe in a path of sunlight in your room itself. Then it has smoke particles, and also it has water vapor. And water vapor you can observe if you have, suppose if you take a steel tumbler which has chilled water in it and you keep it at the room temperature. So after some time you will observe some water droplets on the outer surface of this tumbler. From where these water droplets came? They came from the atmosphere, the air which had water in the vapor form. So when it came in contact with the cold surface of the bottle, it condensed back into the liquid form, and that is why we were able to observe the water droplets on its surface. So apart from the gases, dust particles, smoke and water vapor are present in the air. So that's it, guys. These were the question and answers from the topic that we have covered so far. Thank you so much for your attention.